In this video, I'll show you how to download Twitter videos on Android in just a few simple steps. So whether you want to save a funny clip, keep an important video for later, or share it with your friends, I've got you covered. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Twitter X app on your phone. Then what you want to do is find a video that you want to download. So I'm just going to pick a random video here. And then what we're going to do is, if you notice here on the video, there is a share button. Now what you want to do is, from the share button menu, hit copy link. Now this is the first option you can download using a website, so there's no app needed. So open your web, whatever browser you're using, whether it be on Safari on iPhone or Chrome on Android. Go to a Twitter video downloader site like SaveTweetVid or TWDown. So we'll just go with the first one, which is SaveTweetVid. Now we will go into here and then we're going to paste the copied link. So I am going to paste that into here and then we're going to hit download. So it gives us an option to download and in different sizes. If we wanted to download HD, we can click on this. Now obviously you're going to get advertisements. Let's see if we can click out of that. There we go. It's downloading the file. So we'll give that a wee minute to download and I'll just show you that will automatically save to my phone. So if I go to photos and if I go to downloads, I guess. So where's the downloads? Where are my downloads? I'll go to files. Maybe I can find it better that way. Downloads. And as you can see, there is that video. So that's the first way of downloading a video or a picture to your phone. Now, another way that you can do this is you can use an app. So if we go to the Play Store and we go to the search button and then type in video downloader for X and hit the search button, we'll hit this top one because it seems to get good reviews. So we'll download this and it's the same process. So basically, once we get into the app, we're going to paste the video link and it will detect the video. And then all we'll need to do is tap the download button and it will save directly to the phone. So let's test this out now. It's just opening up for the very first time, so bear with me. Again, you're going to get ads on apps like this. So let the ad play, skip video, hit the X. Yay, hit the X. So it just gives you a little tutorial here on how to do it. I don't want notifications to come through. So how to download So we're going to hit the little arrow button here and we're going to take this out and we're going to paste our link in. So paste. That was the same link. It obviously detected it. But anyway, we're going to hit download. It's going to give us 720p, 360p or 270p. Let's go with 720p. And you can see that this is a longer process than the actual website. So that's interesting. So if I now go back to my files, this should be in here twice, I guess. There you go. So it's just downloaded it. So that's two different ways to download photos or videos from X to your gallery.